Alright guys, so welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to go over what's been done to the car this year. It's been a crazy year so far. So some of the stuff we've done to the car, obviously we've had new wheels and new tires. These are 225s on XXR wheels. I really like them. People complain that they're reps, which honestly I don't care because I'm not going to spend $4,000 on wheels on a $6,000 car. Some other things that we've done to the car pretty much are just basic stuff. I'm putting a new wastegate on it soon because I have one coming in. I also am wanting to replace the bumper, but it's kind of hard to replace the bumper when the intercooler doesn't have a front crash bar, because basically what happens is it just sags on the bumper, as you can tell. So I ordered a crash bar back in July, and it's on back order until December, and it's currently November. So that's definitely like a next year project, because I don't want to put a new bumper on until I get like an actual front crash bar, because whoever put the intercooler in, the bigger one, didn't think about the stock front crash bar just not fitting over the intercooler for some reason, because this is a much bigger intercooler than the factory one. And I already do have a front bumper in here actually. So here's the front bumper that I'm going to put on there. It's full fiberglass, and I custom ordered it from a company. People ask me where I get it from. Honestly, I don't remember. Oh, it's Carbonetics. Carbonetics makes these, and they are custom made, and they're hard to find bumpers at all that are pretty much one-to-one a factory. So once I put this new bumper on, I'm actually going to get the whole car painted, because as you can see, the paint up front's not bad, but the paint in the back is just horrendous. It's just peeling everywhere. It's got sun fade. It's a North Carolina car, I believe. So whoever had it before me just left it out in the sun all day, and it's kind of dusty right now. But we also have to do the fog lights, because whoever did the wiring for these things didn't do it right, because we can get power from the fog lights to the battery. We can't get power from the steering wheel to the fog lights. So it's something between like the steering wheel and to the battery. I feel like someone ordered a column here without actually making sure that it was the fog light version. So there's like, it's missing power to the steering wheel. So that's kind of annoying. I also put covers in the struts just because I thought it looked cool, and it covers it up a little bit. It's red. That's custom made by Cars Deluxe Designs. Also, these fog lights are from Cars Deluxe Designs. They are on eBay. Really good stuff. So I'm just going to kind of take the car out for a drive just to see how it is before fall ends. Like I said, we got a new wastegate coming, new front bumper, new crash bar, just some stuff to do over the winter. So let's go ahead and get this car on the road. So I actually haven't drove this car in a bit because it's getting cold out, but today's one of the last few nice days, so let's go ahead and get it out. Oh yeah, I also got a WAP box too for a two-step. It sounds insane. I'm sure you guys have seen it in some of the videos I've posted. Fires right up. Let's go and get her backed out. Also, this phone mount here is from Cars Deluxe Designs as well. Check them out on Instagram and eBay. I'm just going to drive around the block a little bit just to make sure the car gets warmed up. Also, sunroof doesn't work. We love that. It opens up a little bit though. That's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and get us started here. Stage 2 clutch, I think, or stage 1 clutch, I believe. But it's just absolutely insane. Also, new HKS blow-off valve, by the way. Love this thing, it's insane. That doesn't sound insane. The new blow-off valve, it's amazing, dude. Love those burbles too. The little WRX. He is smiling too. He's probably smiling at the fangs on my car, not the actual car. What is that thing? Oh, I've seen this car around. He's got like weird decals down the side of it. It's like a lightning bolt. That's an old F-250 too. Heavy duty power stroke. Too. And it just pulls up that hill. Grips like that. We already hit 60 up going uphill like that. Also, some two-step sounds the same, by the way, but I'm not going to do it right here because there's too many cars. Okay, I'll do it right here though. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching. It's probably going to be the last video for the year because it's just getting cold out. But I want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.